Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to go for WhatsApp backup as well as how we will go for restore. Let me inform you guys once again that if you would like to back up your WhatsApp data in a iOS device, in any iPhone device, in any Apple device, simultaneously if you would like to restore backup to iOS or Android device, how you will do it? Especially WhatsApp data, guys. If you would like to have in a WhatsApp backup, if you would like to restore, so how you will do it? Let's see here. Just first of all, I will go in a iCare phone software installation. After installing your PC or the laptop, the whatever device you are using, it doesn't matter what operating system you are using. It will be enabled. It will be a functional in operating system of the 7, 8.1, 8, of course 10. At the present time, I'm using in my laptop, it's a Windows 8.1, guys. So, see, this software I have already installed. Now, I will go for the WhatsApp backup and the restore. So, what I will do here, guys, simply I will go for connect my data cable from iPhone device to a PC. And let's see, now it's going to connect it. So just I will go for home. It's a connected, guys. See, iPhone 7 has been connected, so I will come on a WhatsApp. Now the while you are going to here, see, before backup and restore, I would like to tell you one thing here, guys. If you would like to transfer the WhatsApp data from one iOS device to the Android, directly you can. Suppose just one, your iPhone device, you have to connect with the help of your data cable from iPhone device to a PC, and second one also that with the help of the data cable Android, from Android device to a PC you have to connect. And suppose the iPhone, this has been connected. Now here you have to connect another device, and then directly you have to go for transfer. So all kind of the data that is present in your the WhatsApp app, of course that will transfer easily. Now here once again I will come on a backup and restore. Simply I will select this one and I will go for here. We have a two options now created. One is a backup. If you would like to go for WhatsApp backup data from iOS device to other computer, of course you will be able to. And this one is a restore WhatsApp app backup to iOS or Android. So where you would like to, so suppose you have to backup here, then you have to restore. So you can restore according to your down request slide. Just to go for restore, then you have to. So guys, here we have the options to just I will go for restore app. So what I will do here, see when you connecting, guys, your computer should be connected online. It should be online, guys, here. So otherwise it will not show. So here see, restore to iOS and restore to Android. These both options will be flexible, reflected, and the flexible it will be. So you have to choose according to your own customization, and you will be able to select the backup and the restore, guys. So here I'm having the internet the problem here, so I'm not going to do, but the similar procedure you have to execute. Still you will have the problem, then you have to raise the query, guys. I will solve your problem according to the query as soon as possible. Just you have to raise the query below the comment box. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive, that's how you will be able to backup your restore your WhatsApp data, because as we know this is a common problem in iPhone as well as any Android device. So this is all about, guys. If you would like to device backup restore, if you would like to backup and restore of the WhatsApp app, of course you can just see. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great time. See you very soon.